Most of the locations were already really beautiful here, and I have never shot in Uttarakhand. He said something to me about a treasure hunting woman coming and all, and I was like, why is he suggesting this to me? And we already have so much to do. But then that thought stuck in my head a whole night, and then next day morning I woke up and then I told him, you know what, let's do this. And then we formed the story together, and yeah, we just like figured life.
There was such a massive challenge, लेकिन when everyone was on set, it felt as if everyone had a set role and they knew about it.
हम गाना तैयार करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं, उसके बाद हम शूट करते हैं, तब जाके हमको लोग देखते हैं।
ये वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट लोकेशन है ऋषिकेश की, और एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि हम यहाँ पे शूट करेंगे।
I had my me time in this shot. I had my sandwich and a chai. I think this place has like some energy and I'm loving that.
So I've ticked off a lot of adventures off my list from this shoot.
It's doing amazing. Everybody's hard work
Okay, let's go. Roll, please.
has paid off. First day was a chaos here. It was such a chaos. There was a massive crew and there was a fleet of I think 30 to 31 cars and 2 vanities and 3-4 max pickup for the tents and everything.
So there was a road there and it's not there now. So now a JCB is coming to get people. A little insane.
While we were on the way, we got a text on the group saying that the road has washed off to the ashram. And I was scared because we had to start the shoot at around 10. It would take around 1.5 hours for us to rebuild that road in order for all the cars to pass.
फिर हम लोगों ने दिमाग दौड़ाया, आइडिया। सुबह सुबह मिंटोस खाई दो और दिमाग की बत्ती जलाई और जेसीबी बुलाई। बिस्कुट आ गया तुम्हारा? बिस्कुट आ गया?
Vasundhara got this done last night. Somebody was awake all night doing this. And now I'm trying to thrash it so it looks like it's, I don't know, 100 years old. The map, this is it. The little domes.
चेंजिंग टेंट, एक मेकअप टेंट और दो कॉस्ट्यूम टेंट्स। उसमें से एक ज्वेलरी टेंट, एक कॉस्ट्यूम बेस।
So most of the landscape here and all were very different for me from what I have already shot. Good change from what I was seeing back there in South. എടാ അമ്മേരെ ടൈമിംഗ് ഇതാണെന്നുണ്ട്, അതായത് ആ ബേസ് മൂവ് ചെയ്ത് we wanted to understand, especially Abhi wanted to understand the space, the light conditions here, the lay of the land, the people, and mostly for us it was the place has to inspire us, tell us the story. So charge in. Let's try. എടാ ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇനി നീ ആ മാത്രം ലെഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തേ. Janvi and Vasundhara, they told me what they expect. So I told them I'm imagining dance, and they're like, oh, we don't see dance in this. I was like, no, I'm seeing dance representing the rhythm of the song. So it slowly took shape.
So Beatles ashram where John Lennon got most of his learnings from. He used to visit that place. And when Digvijay was performing on that day, I felt as if he had the John Lennon coming into him. And
मेरे भाई ने मुझे एक धुन भेजी थी एंड उसके बाद मैंने एक धुन कंपोज की थी।
So we started at around 2:30 p.m. and yeah, in spite of some challenges, we could capture what we thought of on the first day of the shoot. Corn Village. During the ashram's mismanagement and everything, I told everybody that we need to be on schedule and and people will be ready no matter what, even if they have shot or not.
He is getting ready one of the masked dancers
Okay.
in that small hut. Getting the dancers ready first, and again it's a contemporary look inspired from the Pahadi elements. So yeah, I mean they wanted something that can flow well, and today Vasundra's team has made it possible to stitch
Make
this
another colour
like
of
in
it.
10 hours.
10 hours.
Yeah.
So Liviu, our superstar makeup artist, have already started the makeup. Hair and makeup was done, and then we started getting the models ready. It was super hot, but the location was so beautiful.
ये ऑलरेडी बना बनाया सेट है, ये घर है किसी का, और इतनी सुंदर तरह से कॉर्न्स यहाँ पे लगाए हुए हैं उगे हुए, और ये बहुत ही सही विजन था। और जो हमने सोचा था ना कि अमित भाई किस तरह से उत्तराखंड को देखेंगे, तो उन्होंने उसी तरह से आई थिंक देखा है।
Local people, oh my god, I mean, you know, we were sitting on a local person's terrace, and I just started observing the men and the women and the children. They are living such an amazing life.
कोई छोटा सा फंक्शन भी होता गांव के लोग सारे मिलजुल के ही करते हैं सारा। शादी पार्टी में खूब दिवाली होती है, गढ़वाली दिवाली उसमें रस्साकसी वो हम सब करते हैं अपने गांव के उसी रीति रिवाज के साथ, ढोल दमाऊ के साथ।
क्या लिखी है?
बिमला।
अच्छा,
आपका नाम? साहेली। साहेली का नाम? अरे सो कूल। पुट माय नेम अभिमन्यु। हम दोनों 10 साल से दोस्त। हाँ, 10 साल से दोस्त।
दुश्मन
And again, I was so proud that we are doing this, and people will get to see that how diverse we are.
Thank you. Okay, let's go.